Hello everyone, welcome to M3 Electronics. As we already know, we have 20 plus years of experience in the splicing machine industry, and our company has achieved remarkable success from last 5 years, and we sold 2000 plus machines in the span of 5 years. M3 Electronics is not only meant for selling the splicing machines, we are offering 24/7 customer support as well. We have branches in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and the customers all over India. By growing technology, everyone is expecting the modern outlook. In that case, M3 is came up with a new model of splicing machine called X1. This machine has stupendous features. Let's unbox and check it. Inside the box, we can see here the fiber cleaver. It is completely metal built. Here we go. This is a spray bottle. This is a charging adapter. And we got a cord wire. And this is a cleaning brush. Okay, this is a USB lamp. This is the belt which is used to hang this box. This is the extra pair of electrodes. It's a FTTH stripper. It's a fiber stripper. Nothing else, only machine. And the last but not least, here we go. This is the advanced model of splicing machine from M3 Electronics. As compared to other machines, we can operate this machine within the box. We can use here like this. So we can operate within the box and we can have the facilities to make this machine to operate out of the box. Here we can see 5-inch touchscreen display. Let's turn on. Yeah, starts with the M3 logo. Here we go. We can operate this through touch and we have the buttons as well. So we can operate this in a dual mode. This touchscreen operation and the button operation feature is very convenient for basic and intermediate technicians. Now it's time to know the most important operating key aspects. The splicing time of this machine 2 to 3 seconds and the heating time of the machine is 10 to 15 seconds, and the most important thing, the magnification level. This machine will comes with 300x of magnification level. That is the amazing thing. This will ensure the operators of even a middle level or the intermediate or any advanced level of a technician or any kind of operator, easily they can ensure us to get a proper visualization. This machine is equipped with 7800 mAh battery. I guess this is what we are all looking for, right? So for one full charge, we can use up to 400 joints of lead to lead and 250 joints of coupler to coupler. Finally, warranty. We are offering 1 year of comprehensive warranty on this machine and 24/7 customer support. With 20 years of expertise, we understand the challenges of splicing machine technician face. We will provide 24/7 customer support and expert level troubleshooting even after warranty expire. We are providing EMI facility on this machine, and for more details, contact M3 Electronics branches. The numbers are scrolling below.